In the ceramic industry, sawdust byproducts often contain metal contaminants, e.g. iron filings, stainless steel fragments, posing critical challenges, quality risks. Metal impurities cause cracks in ceramic bodies or glaze defects, reducing product yield. Resource waste. Contaminated sawdust cannot be reused in high-value applications like raw material additives. Environmental compliance. Disposal of metal-laden waste violates environmental regulations. The Ptms 1000 electromagnetic slurry magnetic separator addresses these issues with tailored advantages: precision separation, adjustable magnetic intensity, 1.5-2.0 T, removes micron-scale metals from wet ceramic slurries, less than or equal to 40% concentration, at 10 tons/hour. Stability. Patented closed magnetic circuit ensures 98% metal recovery, while automated PLC control minimizes manual intervention. Eco-efficiency. Water-saving closed-loop design reduces consumption, and reclaimed metals generate secondary revenue, e.g. 3,000 to 12,000 renminbi per ton. Ptms guarantees lifecycle reliability, on-site installation and parameter optimization by certified engineers. Quarterly remote diagnostics and annual maintenance, magnetic roller cleaning, bearing lubrication. 20-hour emergency response and lifetime technical upgrades. A ceramic manufacturer using Ptms 1000 achieved 90% sawdust reuse, versus 45% previously, cutting annual material costs by 800,000 renminbi with a 14-month ROI. This solution exemplifies sustainable, closed-loop production for the ceramic sector.